Hello, Enola fans. This is a quick recording of my latest voice user interface, AI agent. You can set it up by creating a Gemini API key, storing it like this, and then running my Enola tool like this. And if you go over here, start this, you can talk to your computer. Hello, what's the host name of this computer?
Hello, I am your voice user agent. I can help you control your computer with your voice, including accessing the local time and date, executing commands, navigating the file system, using Git, performing web searches, and
Sure.
fetching web pages.
What's the name of this
How can
host
I
name of
help you
this
today?
computer?
Regarding the host name of this computer, I cannot directly provide that information, but I can execute a command that might show it. Would you like me to try to run a command to find the
Sure.
host name?
Yes,
The
please.
host name of this computer is Yara.
What's its CPU?
The CPU of this computer is an Intel Xeon WWWW2135 CPU at 3.7 GHz. It has 12 cores and supports both 32-bit and 64-bit operations. The computer has approximately 953 gigabytes of disk space with 185 gigabytes available on the main file system, which is 81% used.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Feel free to reach out if you need any more help.